everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you yet another delightful recipe, and that is chicken lasagna. So if you want to see how I'm going to put this together, come with me. And these are all the ingredients that I will be using to put this delightful dish together. Here I have my shredded carrots, sweet pepper of assorted colors. You can use whichever color you have at hand. Mushroom, onion, pimento, green seasoning, black pepper, sazon, paprika, tomato paste, tomato ketchup, baby spinach, my pasta sauce, and you can use whichever pasta sauce you choose to. I am using the mushroom and green pepper, and I am not advertising for anyone. Here's my cheese. I'm using mozzarella mixed with white cheddar cheese, or as you will call it, Trinidad cheese. And my chicken, and you can replace this with beef or turkey or simply omit this. And I know someone out there might be wondering if I wash this chicken. Yes, I do wash my minced chicken. So let's head over to the sink and show you how I wash this. Here's my strainer, and I put it over a pot so that that strainer does not touch the sink. And goes the chicken. I squeeze some lemon in a cup, bowl, whatever you choose to squeeze this lemon. If you do not have lemon, you can use lime. You can use some vinegar as well. Add some cold water with this lemon juice. Loosen up this a little bit. Pour this water all around. In that way you are removing all that fresh smell from this minced chicken. It's as easy as that, and now you just allow this to drain out for like 5 minutes or so. Let's start putting the sauce together now. Into my pot I'm gonna add just about a teaspoon of oil. In goes the onion. And I did not mention the frying pan because it was hiding amongst the other ingredients. Allow this to get nice and soft or until it is translucent. Add the other ingredients here now. Carrots, sweet pepper, and like I said, turn there. Add salt to taste. And you can see why I call it loaded lasagna, guys. Look at how much ingredients I'm going to add into that. Cover this and allow it to cook for like 3 to 5 minutes. Let's check on this now. I do not need this to overcook because I do not want it to get soggy. So this is just about 3 minutes here now. I'm going to remove this from the fire. And in the same pot, in goes that chicken. Now it's time to season it up. Green seasoning, sazon, paprika and black pepper, salt to taste, and allow this to cook until it turns brown and all that water is dried up. And I have it uncovered here so that the water will dry up quickly. I'm going to add a little kick to this with some chili flakes. As you can see, it's drying up here nicely. This is about 6 minutes since I put everything into the pot. I'm adding here a little bit more green seasoning because I am not getting the smell that I want. I need my chicken to be well seasoned. As you can see, it is drying up here nicely. Look at that. In goes the tomato paste. I'll lower this heat now. And in with more flavors. The chicken has turned into a nice color there. Ketchup. The pasta sauce. At this point you can add some chicken broth. I do not have any chicken broth at hand, so I'm just going to rinse out my bottle with some water. In goes the baby spinach. And I did not mention that you can add whatever additional vegetables you choose. I have used Christophine and cauliflower in my lasagna already. And now I'm gonna add in all the vegetables that we pre-cooked earlier. Look at that, look at colors, look at colors, look at this beautiful sauce. Did not taste it as yet, but I always say you eat with your eyes first. When you see beautiful colors, it will attempt you to try certain things. But remember, some things just look beautiful on the outside and it is not beautiful in the inside. Remove refined thyme. Add a dash of oregano. Oh my god, this smells so delicious right now. I can eat this like soup. Let me taste for salt. Just a little pinch more. Because remember, the cheese has a little bit of salt as well. This is finished here now. I do not want to overcook the vegetables. I'm going to take this down just as it is. And let's start preparing the pasta sheets. Water is nice and hot here, and goes a little bit of salt. Add these sheets one at a time. Allow this to boil until it becomes not fully cooked but al dente. Now this is ready, so let's take it out. Gotta take your time with this so that it would not come out in pieces. We want it to come out as one whole sheet. We do not want to do surgery on this lasagna. The lasagna sheets are ready, the sauce is ready, the cheese is waiting, so let us start putting this into layers of goodness. Gonna spread some butter at the bottom of this. When you spread this butter lightly here, it will be easier to cut and the pasta will not burn or stick. First sheet. Now in goes the sauce. Look at all that goodness. When I tell you this is a loaded lasagna, this is what I mean, guys. You are not only having that pasta, but layers of goodness in here. Cheese. Another layer. I'll use my kitchen scissors. Just cut this to size. Repeat. If you want a nice tasting lasagna full of flavor, guys, try this recipe. It would not disappoint you, trust me. Everyone who has tried my lasagna before, they have always asked me, how did I make it? What did I use? Unfortunately, I never had a video so that I can tell them, check my YouTube, but now I can certainly do that. I'm gonna add another layer here. And as we come to the top, we would need like 1/3 of a sheet so that we can cover the entire top. Just like that. Sally C. Paul, I know you had asked for a soya lasagna, and Sully Johnson, you had asked for a lasagna with eggplant. Unfortunately, I did not have the eggplant or the soya, so this is what I'm making it with. You can replace the pasta with eggplant slices, and you can replace the chicken with soya. I'm going to add a thin layer of sauce at the top here. That, guys, it looks as though it can be eaten just as it is. top this off with some cheese. And I do hope, if you're watching so far, you are enjoying what you are seeing, and I do hope that you will try this recipe. If you do try this recipe, guys, send me a picture and I will be happy to post it and share with the others. Add some parsley flakes at the top. Remember, everything comes out of Shamin Di's kitchen is full of flavor, but not overpowering. And some oregano. Not too much, because we want to taste each ingredient. I'm going to cover this now because we do not want a dry pot. Place this into the oven for approximately 1 hour, and then it will be ready to enjoy. And if you like this recipe, please leave me a comment at the bottom. Give me that nice big thumbs up. Like, share. I will appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook for more delightful recipes. Thank you for watching, and see you soon with another recipe. Bye. Love you.